Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel.
Today we're going to be unboxing an Amazon Basics food and water gravity dispenser for our 12-pound cat. So here it is. We got our food here. This is our original food dispenser, and we're going to be using this bigger food dispenser for when we're out for a weekend, like out for a week, so the cat would have a constant supply of food, and it's just easier so we don't have to like put food daily in her like food bowl.
Wow, that's huge. I can put a whole jug of water.
So they actually come with a small version, and this is the small version. The bigger version is really big. It's like 3 times as much, 3 times as bigger than this. But our cat is not that big, so we just pick this smaller version. See?
Wow, cool.
So this is the food or water.
I like it.
Okay, this is the
food, and here's the water. Cool.
This is the food. As you can see, there's like an opening. Can you open that?
Then we're gonna put all the food in here, and then it could go right in here.
And there's the water. Okay, you can try to fill it out. Move the water bottle here. This big jar. You just twist it. Can you twist it? There you go.
And then it pops up.
Can you
just
open
like
it?
This, and then you could.
Can you add some water in it? Just a lukewarm water, not too cold. So this is. I like that it's it doesn't have a lot of nooks and crannies, so it's easier to clean. So that's where the water is going to drip. So this is like there's like a.
I'm so glad you got this. It'll be gone for a month.
Yeah, so she can last for a week without water, I think, or maybe more than a week. And you gotta clean her bowl regularly. We're not gonna fill it out all the way up. We're just gonna fill it out until here. That's good enough.
What?
Make sure it's tight, sealed tightly.
We don't want water dripping out. Okay.
So we're gonna flip it over.
I don't want it dripping. Okay.
Okay. Make sure it's lined up, and then lock it. There you go. See, as you can see, it's.
Oh wow.
Ooh, I wonder how much is gonna be there.
Cat needs some water.
Yeah, we don't need too much water. Is this warm?
Then we'll try.
This is a warm water, Naomi.
Dispenser.
Okay, I'm wondering how. Okay, I think it's gonna stop maybe. So now we're going to add some food. Be careful in the food dispenser.
Okay, so.
I'm gonna put some food.
Okay,
This is Friskies. I think, yeah, this is. There's gonna be an extra.
Gotta get an extra package.
Okay, just pour it. You probably could fill all of that in there.
Hello.
I think it's a 5-pound bag. So we got water. Oh, be careful. Oops.
Whoa.
That's a lot. Is that everything?
No, not really yet.
I hope it doesn't get stale.
Won't get stale. I'm sure it won't get stale.
Whoa, it's getting full.
Ooh, that was just perfect.
That's right, okay. So now,
Okay, so now we're done with the cat food. And we got
make sure you seal it completely.
Very good. Don't want the cat food to get stale.
So yeah, it's like almost 3/4 full. There you go. Is that tight?
Yep.
There you go. So that's our gravity food dispenser for a cat, and we'll try it out. Okay?
Bye.
Thank you for watching
Don't
this
forget
video.
to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.